Hello friends, welcome to Finance MCQ. Friends, today we will discuss the vacancy released by MP Power Generation Corporation Limited. So let's start the video. So as you can see on your screen, there are 6 subsidies companies. So for filling up the vacancy in these subsidy companies, they have released the notification. So for the regular post vacancy for accounts officer or manager finance trainee, it's a regular post code is 004, and friends, there are total 46 vacancies, out of which 15 are for unreserved category candidate and rest are all for reserved category candidate. Friends, these 46 vacancies are in the 6 subsidies company along with the MP Power Generation company. Now let's talk about the selection process. Here they have mentioned that your selection will be based on online examination, which will have 100 marks, which will be in the MCQ format only, out of which 75 questions from the relevant discipline and 25 questions from general awareness and aptitude section, and it will be of a 2 hours examination and will be held in the state of Madhya Pradesh only, and based on your exam performance merit list will be prepared. There will not be any interview round, so that's really a good thing. Only based on your written test selection will be there. And one important thing also that there will not be any negative marking in the examination, so that's really good thing. You can attempt all 100 questions. Now the test cities, so your online examination will be held in these 6 cities only, that is Bhopal, Jabalpur, Indore, Satna, Ujjain and Gwalior. Application fees and other charges for unreserved category candidate 1200 rupees is to be paid, and for SC, ST, OBC category candidate which are having MP domicile, rupees 600 is to be paid. So what if you are not having MP domicile? Then you need to pay rupees 1200. Friends, your online registration are already started from 24th Feb, and last date of submission of online application is 16th March 2023. So almost 1 month is given to fill up this vacancy. Now how to apply? You have to apply through online mode by visiting company's website. No manual or paper application will be entertained. In case you are facing any difficulty or required any clarification, you can contact them in the helpline number. Now let's talk about the qualification asked. So for accounts officer, here a candidate should be a certified CA or a cost and management accountant or a regular MBA finance or PGDBM finance with minimum 60% marks. So here this 60% criteria is for MBA PGDBM candidate, and I don't think so it is for CA or CMA candidate. And they have mentioned for the advertise for MP PTCL company, only certified CAs are eligible. So wherever there is a vacancy for accounts officer in this company MP PTCL, only a certified CA will be eligible to be posted there. So do keep this in mind. Now age limit, so they have mentioned the minimum age limit for post code 4, it is accounts officer. Minimum age is 21 years, and maximum age they have mentioned that for MP domicile candidate, for male unreserved it is 43 years, and for female applicant it is 48 years. And what if you are not from MP? Then the maximum age is 43 years. So that's really a wonderful thing that here the age parameter is very high, so almost everyone is eligible to apply for this post. Even if you are a freshers or a experienced candidate, you are eligible to apply since the age limit is 43 years. Then apart from that, there is certain age relaxations for reserved category candidate, you can check them. Selection process, I have already informed you that the selection will be based on your written test, and in that 100 questions will be asked, 75 from the relevant discipline and 25 from the non-technical syllabus, that is from general awareness and aptitude. It will be of 2 hours examination. There will not be any negative marking. And they have mentioned the cutoff criteria also. So for unreserved category candidate, he need to score minimum 50% marks in online examination, and for SC ST category candidate 40% minimum marks you need to score. And one important point is you need to execute a service bond to serve the company for 3 years, and the bond amount is 2 lakh for unreserved category candidate and 1 lakh for reserved category candidates. Now let's talk about the remuneration. Friends, for accounts officer, here your pay scale will be 56,100 to 1,77,500, and your entry basic pay is 56,100. You will be in the level 12 pay matrix, so you will get a handsome amount of package here, and apart from this you will be paid DA and other allowances of the company as per its policy, and you will be eligible for new pension scheme. Probation period, you will be in the probation for 2 years. So that's all friend. It's really a good opportunity for all my CA, CMA, MBA friends who wish to apply for a PSU company, and the pay scale is good. Age limit is also higher for this examination. So definitely if you are meeting the eligibility criteria, you should apply for this post, since there is no negative marking, no interview, only selection based on your written test performance. And do share this video with your friends and family whom you find that this vacancy might be useful. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end.